Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Queen Nikki. So guys, I decided to style my hair like tomorrow is my birthday. So I want something simple that I can be able to do photo shoots with. Then I want to share with you guys so that in case you don't have much money with you, you don't need to go any stress of buying hair. See this hair in my hand, Brazilian wool. All what you need to do is just to stay tuned, watch from the beginning to the end. You guys gonna love the tutorial. Let's go. Welcome back once again, my beautiful people. So in this today's tutorial, like I said earlier, I'll be styling my hair by myself using Brazilian wool. So this is how the tutorial goes. So first thing, you cut the Brazilian wool. You cut it to your favorite size, I mean the length. So this particular one, I cut it as I like. So after that, I go ahead and twist the Brazilian wool, as you can see what I'm doing here. So after twisting it, the edge of it, the finishing part, so this is how I secure it. So I secure it with rubber band. After that, I wrap it all over, then secure it with another rubber band just to hold it firm. Can you see, guys? So you secure it with the rubber band just to hold it firm. So in this one Brazilian wool, I have 4 twisted hair. So depend on how you want it. So this is my bridal bun that I'll be using to fix the twist. So I try to push it inside, then secure it by tying it with needle and thread, as you can see, guys. Just pay attention, watch carefully, and you guys will love the outcome of this tutorial. So for some of you that doesn't like staying for long in a salon, this video is for you. So after that, guys, I go ahead and begin to wrap the twist all over the bun. So as I'm wrapping it, and make sure that as I'm wrapping it, sorry guys, I'm tacking it with my needle and thread. Can you see, guys? So as you're wrapping it, you secure it with your needle and thread, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. Can you see? Don't just wait for you to wrap everything. As you wrap one, you tack it to give you a best result. So guys, I'm done, and this is me combing my natural hair. Can you see, guys? The hair is washed already. Then I try to comb it out after applying my moisturizer, as in my leave-in moisturizer. So I decide to section it. So what I'm doing here, guys, I'm trying to section the hair into 2 portions, and that's what I'm doing. Just keep watching, please. If today is your first time of watching any of my video, that means you are new here. Please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning into the channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate every one of you here. Thank you, guys. So guys, after sectioning it into 2 portions, I go ahead and secure the one at the back. I secure it with rubber band. You can also use thread if you wish, but this particular one, I love using the black rubber band, the small one. So after securing it, I apply my hair wax just to make it look more sleek and to make it beautiful. Can you see, guys? So after that, I go ahead to the front aspect, then I section small portion at the side, as you can see what I'm doing. So I section it. After sectioning it, I apply my hair wax. As you know, my hair is natural, so I need to apply something to make it neat. So after that, I secure it with rubber band again. After securing that one, I go ahead and section another one. This one, I'm not sectioning it from the beginning, like I section it at the middle, then I'm trying to cornrow the hair. Can you see? So just watch carefully, guys. You guys will love the outcome. Let me know in the comment section if you guys love this tutorial. So after doing this part, you go ahead and do the other side too. So I'm repeating the same thing on both sides. So this middle one now, I'm going to apply my hair wax. Then after applying the hair wax, I comb it to make it smooth and fluffy. So after that, I go ahead and begin to style the middle one as well. As you can see, guys, so I take small portion at the front. After applying my hair wax, I take small portion, I pat it very well, then I try to comb it to make it nice. Can you see, guys? So this particular hairstyle is something you can do yourself. Is a DIY tutorial, so you don't need to stress yourself if you don't really want to go any pressure of making hair. So this video is for you. So guys, after securing it with rubber band, I go ahead and twist the hair. Can you see? So as you're twisting it, don't make the twisting too tight, just make it a loose twist. So after twisting it, you go ahead and you part another one. This one that you twist, you take it across the one you parted aside, then you secure it with rubber band, and that's how you keep going. Can you see, guys? So the one you twist, you pack it together with the one you section, then you secure it with rubber band, and that's all, guys. Can you see? Please let me know in the comment section if you guys love watching this video, and if this tutorial is helpful to you guys, go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section, guys. So guys, so after that, you just go ahead and you pack the hair together with the back, then you secure it with rubber band. If you wish, you can use thread, but I love using rubber band because I don't like anything to inconvenience me. So as you can see, this is my own natural hair, so, and I'm trying to style it myself, so I don't want something that will give me pressure. So I love using rubber band. So guys, after that, I just go ahead and apply my hair wax just to smoothen it. After that, I apply the bond, the one I created aside. I try to fix it up with the hair. Can you see? That's what I'm trying to adjust. So I'm just using my bobby pin just to secure it, to make it firm on my head. And can you see, guys? So after that, I'll go this particular bun. I use two of the twists to wrap it, while I'm using two other twists to wrap the front as well. Can you see? So you place this another one at the front where the rubber band started. You place it and you secure it with a bobby pin. You place another one, and that's all about this tutorial. This is the final look. I'm done with my makeup, ready for my photo shoot. Thank you so much, guys. If you love this video, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, share to your friends or family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.